Let's write a C program where we will be using a variable of type integer. So the first line, that is the preprocessor directive to add the standard input output header file writing. So this line is a preprocessor directive, which is including standard input output header file. Then is the starting of main function, which is starting point of execution. Now I will be declaring a int variable. So integer type of variable, the name of variable I'm taking as ID, and the value for ID I'm giving 1, 2, 3. And I want to print this variable on the output screen. So as it is of type integer, the format specifier we will be using is as D, and the variable name, and then the semicolon. So in these two lines, in the first line, we are declaring a variable ID of type integer to which we are assigning the value 1, 2, 3. And in the next line, we are printing it by using a format specifier %d within the double quotations to which the ID value will be substituted. So for printing any integer, we will be using %d format specifier. So in this string, to substitute any integer value, this format specifier is used. So you can see double quotations, it is a string. Inside a string, if you want to write any integer, format specifier for integer is used, which is %d. And what has to be substituted here will be written after comma. So we are writing it ID. So ID will be substituted here. Now, if I save it first and then compile it, zero errors or warnings, and then run it. Now, if I run it, I get output as 1, 2, 3 because we have not given any string, directly the value of ID we are getting. But if I give here the string as ID is, then the format specifier %ld, then compile and run, and we get ID is 1, 2, 3. So this is how we can use a integer type of variable in a C program. So thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel for more updates on C programs and also other programming languages information.